go. Now, these are some of our incredible officers. Together, they oversee the entire operation here on board. However, there is one gentleman. Thanks again, let's hear our Captain Marco Valerio Colonna! Oh, who's driving the boat? Is it boat?
First of all, very good afternoon, good evening everyone. This is not a boat. The ship. This is a ship. You know the difference between boat and ship? Ship and boat? I will let you know later. So, good evening. Once again, I would like to thank every one of you for attending on this beautiful activity. We are here to enjoy with you. We are here to dance with all of you. Salute. I cannot drink. I'm alcohol free. Salute. So, first let me say thank you. Thank you for keep choosing MSC Cruises for your holiday. We hope to have you back on board of this beautiful ship. I will be here for 2 years, so we have plenty of time ahead of us. Before that you ask me who is driving the ship, don't worry, we are professional. I'm joking, we have plenty of officers on the engine and on the bridge and this year that they are navigating the vessel. You are safe. Now we have to enjoy. Don't look at me, I'm not a professional dancer. I am a professional captain, I'm not a dancer, but look at that. Look, we have officers all over the world, every nationality. Hey, how are you? Beautiful sunglasses. They want to know why we are wearing the sunglasses. You tell me? She's shy. Don't be shy. We are wearing sunglasses because you are shining like a star. Are we ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready, Captain?
I'm born to be ready.
You're born to be ready. But the thing is, we want to see more people on the dance floor. More people on the dance floor. Give him a big round of applause. Where has he gone? Give him a big round of applause for our Captain, everybody! Now, if you're wearing a colourful outfit, come on the dance floor. That's if you're wearing blue, if you're wearing red, if you're wearing glasses, if you've got children with you, come on the dance floor. We're going to get started with a little bit of this. Here we go. That's right. Come on down. That's it. Everybody. On the game. Deck 7, deck 6. All you gotta do is follow us. Follow us. Young man. Woo! I said, young man. It's time to stay. you going